Yeah, as we take a look at our Capitol Federal Skycam in downtown Topeka, seeing some high clouds right now overall. And from downtown Emporia, that sun has risen, and there are a couple people out there walking currently, as you can see. Capitol Federal Live Storm Tracker currently in the 30s and 40s. And as we take a look at our dew point values, right now they're in the 20s, so that air feels dry and raw right now. And our wind chills are in the 20s and 30s, so it does feel a little chilly out there. Current wind speeds right now around the area between around 5 and 10 miles per hour for the most part, coming from the north. And from our wind gust, we are between around 5 and 20 miles per hour, depending on where you are. Those winds will die down a little bit as we go into this evening overall, but they'll rebound as we go into tomorrow afternoon, getting back in between 10 and 20 miles per hour as far as our gusts go. Today's forecast overall, 40s and 50s will be partly cloudy. As we go throughout the next 24 hours, rising into the upper 40s, maybe even into the 50s, after sunset into the 30s and 20s. Then tonight's forecast overall, lows in the 20s outstanding, and we will be partly cloudy as well. Tomorrow's forecast will be partly sunny and will be in the 40s and 50s, as you can see. And then Monday, we will be partly sunny again in the 50s and 60s once again. We do have what's called a zonal flow with winds west to east, keeping our pattern really the same over the next 2 days. But as we go into next week, we will see a ridge start building, which will pump warm air and southerly winds into our area come Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and even Thursday for Christmas, bringing us record heat for this time of year by Christmas time, and we will continue seeing that through the end of the work week. Temperature trend overall, we are between around 10 and 15 degrees above average for the next couple days, but as we go into the middle part of the week, we will see temperatures between 20 and 30 degrees above average overall. So it is going to be very warm for Christmas Eve and Christmas, and it will be maybe even higher than 30 degrees above average come Thursday for Christmas Day. We do have the winter solstice, which is at 9:03 a.m. tomorrow. It's the shortest day of the year and the longest night. Start of astronomical winter, and it lasts until the spring equinox. And it's when the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. Our Christmas forecast overall, we will be in the 60s and 70s, as you can see, 71 in Topeka for your high. We will be mostly clear as well. Overall, your Christmas outlook is looking to be very warm and almost near record temperatures for your low. 50 degrees was your record in 2019. We're expected to be around 49 degrees this year. And for your high, 68 degrees was your record in 1922 and 2016. We're forecasted to blow that record out of the water at 71 degrees. And as we take a look at your 8-day forecast, overall winter begins on Sunday, tomorrow, and we will be around 49 degrees, then rising into the upper 60s by Wednesday for Christmas Eve, being around 67 degrees, and then by Thursday, 71 degrees for Christmas Day.